Welcome to Sound Credit Portal. Today we're going to talk about publishing a drip and the playlist feature. Here we have the HeatPack 2 preview version. We're going to click Publish Drip. We're going to choose 50 tickets. Each ticket will allow one streamer to access the drip. You'll be able to see the statistics of each streamer who has accessed the drip. What is a drip? A drip is a powerful tool for artists and labels to engage with their fans and test popularity of new music. By releasing a limited number of streams through social media, they can gather data on how music is received and which songs are most popular. This valuable feedback helps inform their decisions before releasing the music to a wider audience. Sharing the drip link on social media also provides an exclusive and valuable experience for fans, strengthening the connection between the artist and their audience. Got it. Let's go to Publish. Here you're going to see Drip Music Streaming Platform Submission Agreement. You're going to read through this agreement. Click all the above. I confirm that I obtained. I confirm that I secured. Confirm. Your drip is now live. You can click and you can share.